What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Super Pro Gaming Focus, and we're back with another video. We're gonna roast Frozen. We're roasting Frozen theme song. Yeah, we're gonna roast Frozen. Bro, who are you? Anna, is that you? You look like a Barbie doll. Bro, I could have surprised my little sister with you. And you know what, bro? Take off that costume. I know you're wearing that. Take them off. Nobody wants to hear you sing. You're not in choir. Sign up for choir. Nobody wants to hear you sing. Jesus. Bro, you're not no queen. You're just not a singer. Bro, I wish I could just eat that crown over there and take the costume off. Like nobody wants to see that. Come on, man. The wind is howling. Oh, Hannah! Oh, Bob! I know you did not just, bro. Oh my God. This swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in. Heaven knows I and if to let them see, be the good girl, always have to be. Oh my God. You know what? I'm done. End the roast. I can just do it. I can't do it. End the roast. Just end it. End the roast.